So on an L9 Cummins, and I have this one apart because it has some other issues that we are working on to when you come across a bad EGR cooler, to detect it. When you get EGR codes, this here will be about the first place you go, and that's the exhaust ports that get plugged, and that's the differential pressure sensor. And this tube goes across to the EGR cooler over here and comes across to the EGR valve. A lot of times take that off out of your way, so you take these two bolts out and you take this off and you'll pull this side of the pipe off. If you see moisture in here, that's a sign that your EGR cooler could be bad. Could be leaking and sending moisture through this tube. So if it's wet, gummy, sticky. Also, another indication is if you pull this off and the little metal pieces are completely clean on the bottom, they could mean it's running antifreeze through, which basically steam cleans that. But it has to be pretty bad for that to happen. Now, this is an EGR cooler that is bad, and I'll see if we can see it in here. You may see two different things on a bad EGR cooler. One, when you look in here, it may be completely cleaned off if it's real bad, but if it's not as bad, and you look down in here, you'll see something like that right there, which is all plugged up. It's had small amounts of moisture going through it. Which made it plugged up.